Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my April unboxing of my BoxyCharm. So this month it is interesting. I saw some sneak peeks and there are a few things that I probably might not keep. It just depends on what's going on in this box. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. And if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you go and hit that notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Alright, let's just jump right into this video of said BoxyCharm. So I saw a sneak peek already and I do know that the BoxyCharm pamphlet has changed. So now it's something like this. It says eye candy on it. And then there's some coupons on the back. Those are them if you want to kind of snatch some coupons. First is this here, and this is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner, and it's a pore purifying mask. So I have seen a few videos on this where they're just kind of putting it on their face and putting it on specific areas. We have gotten quite a few Dr. Brandt products in the BoxyCharm before, so I have 2 face washes and I have a primer from them already, so that's awesome. I'm just going to add this to my collection. And the Dr. Brandt product is $47. Ooh, that's expensive for a mask for something so small. And then up next is this here, and this is the Tarteist Pro Glow. This is a liquid highlighter, and I think mine is in exposed. So let's just, I don't know what that color technically means, so that is what it looks like here. Do a little bit of a swatch for you. Oh, that's probably way too much. All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's nice. That'll look really nice with my skin tone. I can actually probably put that in with my foundation and it'll look super nice. I realize it's a highlighter, but I'm not really a huge fan of liquid highlighters, so I do like using liquid highlighters mixed in with foundation for more of a glow. And the Tarteist Glow was $29. So up next is this Brow Gal. This is in number 2, so brown hair apparently, which I think there's been some taupe ones I've been going out. So this is a tinted brow gel with microfiber, so I'm just gonna open this up. So this was something that I thought everyone was getting in a super light color. Oh, yeah, that's really light. So I'm just gonna do a swatch on my hand. If you get really close, there's some little hair-like substances kind of coming off of the spoolie. That is the color of it. So that actually might work. My eyebrows are quite dark, and I like to make them quite darker. I don't like them. This is a Project Pan eye pencil, so it technically is a little bit darker than I normally like them. That could actually work. I'll have to try it. If not, one of my friends will definitely be getting that. I am kind of excited to try something with fibers in it, just because I haven't really tried anything with fibers. My eyebrows are so bushy, except for right in this area anyway. If you can see, it's why I haven't done a video, because like they're so bushy in here. I have half of my eyebrows literally waxed off in this area right here because I have so much hair, but then like I don't have that much hair here, or like this arch that I have has hardly any hair in it. So that'll be really nice for the arches. The Brow Gal gel is $22. 2 more products in here, and this one is the Adaze New York. This is a high definition lip. That is what it looks like there. It's quite a big lipstick. It's got a pretty nice looking applicator. It's a bit soft, so let's see what this swatch looks like. Okay, that's a pretty decent color. There's been a lot of nude lipsticks coming through BoxyCharm lately, and it's probably because it's a lot easier to match a nude with somebody than to have like bright colors, because not everybody likes bright colors. But the lipstick I'm wearing today is also one of the ones I got in my BoxyCharm, so I do really like that. So that might be okay. I'm not really a huge nude lipstick kind of girl. The lipstick is $24. If you've seen any sneak peeks of what this box entitled, there was 5 different options for this BoxyCharm palette, and BoxyCharm put in a ColourPop palette. So this is the one I got, and this is the Golden State of Mind. So I already have this one. So this one, given to a friend, because it's, well, brand new. Or I'll put it in a giveaway. That could also be something I could do. So it says here that this Golden State of Mind palette is $26. I know that I didn't pay $26 for it. ColourPop has great deals all the time. There's always a sale on. So I know that there's no way I actually spent $26 on this one. I also really love this one. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm not going to open the other one because I already have one. So ignore the fact that there's already, it looks like it's been swatched because this is mine. So this is what the palette looks like, and they're all frosted colors. I have used this quite a few times already. I'm gonna do some swatches. I'm gonna do a swatch of this one here, which is what that one looks like. This one here, that one. So look how pretty those are. I absolutely love these eyeshadows. I use the light ones like in here and like these few light ones here all the time. This is one of my favorite ones right here. That right there is what it looks like. I love to put this on an eyeshadow look that has quite a bit of darker colors, so it just makes it pop. But those are 3 of the swatches from the 15 different eyeshadows. So that's the back of what it looks like. So it has all the colors as well as the names on them. So that's pretty awesome. So this month's BoxyCharm, all those products add up to $148. So that is amazing. So that was everything with this eye candy BoxyCharm this month. If you guys want a review on any of those products, leave me a comment in the comments below and I'll make a video for you on them. It's actually kind of like this one. If you want me to do a whole like actual like put it on and show you what it looks like, I can do that for you. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!